Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be playing the Bed Wars again. I'm gonna be playing some arcade games, but see you guys when I get into there. Okay, so for some reason my software. Oh, look at this guy up there. Huh. Let's make a video about Roblox. Another video. For some reason it won't let me hear my voice. I'm playing. Oh, I need to turn my computer. Oh. Okay. Alright. Now I can play. And I was playing Bed Wars last time. Alright. So. Okay. I'm lagging. I don't like this. I am trying. Feedback hub. Shut up. Why are so many things being updated while I'm recording a video? Oh yeah, I got this, what's it called? TNT bow. So cool. Blow people up. Alright, the Blacking Dead of zombies. Mini Wars. I'm actually a lot better than mini walls. Oh, okay. I've never seen this one. Soldier kit. I think I'm gonna be a builder. Bob the Builder. Can we do it? Bob the Builder. Yeah, we can. I used to watch Bob the Builder a lot. Is it just me, or was I the only one to get the, what's it called, to ever, like, actually knock down Wolverine? Like, I knocked him down, but, like, 2 other teams had to help, defeat him. Oh, my teammates! Hey, guys. This guy's my teammate. Let's go. Can I click that one YouTuber, George Not Found? Microsoft people? What? What is that? Red? So what can I do? I don't really play these games. I'm being attacked. Ow! I'm being attacked. Back up, back up, back up. Oh man, they got me. I've never played this before. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna be salty now. I'm gonna slice people in half. How good my teammates are. I'd go attack them. Oh! Gonna pop a 90. Come on. Dang it. Give me an archer. Maybe I can bow it. Die! Get wrecked, get wrecked. What? What? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? What the? I think they're cheating. I think I saw them. We were using hacks. Actually, well, my wizard's almost dead. Let's defend it. Green wizard is down. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. But my wizard's alive, so I don't really care. My first time actually playing a wizard. A wizard thing game. Okay, let's all focus on blue, because blue's don't play. Blue's not good. Come here! Oh! Oh! Get wrecked. Oh, I missed! No! Guys, someone's coming. Guys. Oh. Okay. Watch your step. I don't need to watch my step. I'm fine. Oh. Whoa. I'm gonna get bopped. Back up, bro. Back up. Back up. Back up. Now you get wrecked. Don't fight me. I'm too good at this game. Oh. Okay, my teammates are too good at this game. Okay, who's left? Who are down here? Oh, hey. Hi, what y'all doing? I did it! My teammate did it! I don't really care. I'm just gonna admit it, my teammate did everything. I did absolutely nothing. High pixel size is what I was originally trying to do. So I'm right at this game. Oh, you can see. I'm just too good at this game. The game can't even keep up with my fast clicking. Then, here's what's it. I'm not a professional gamer yet. I like chewing gum so I can just fidget around with something. But yeah. Red kind of stuff. Enchant an iron axe. I don't have an iron axe. I need levels? Aw, man. Many slimes. Boing. I'm not good at shooting with arrow, bow and arrow. See, I just missed that. I won. We got the player's head. Look. Stand completely still. I have not failed the game yet. I'm just too good at this game. Alright, let's go. Climb to the middle. Oh. What? Apples. Come on. Alright. You successfully failed the task. I don't know, man. Red kind of sus. Not gonna lie. That red one. Knock back on an iron sword. I got it. I'm just too good at this game. Milk, please. Got it. Oh. I'm just too good at this game. You successfully failed the task. Go, little piggy. How fast I can spin around. Alright. Food wolf sheep. Eat. 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 Okay, I'm too good. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm really bad at this one. I'm really bad at this one. I'm gonna die. Yeah, I knew it. How do people survive? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna die. Okay. Let's try one, it's more easier. Do you guys like my new skin? I got like a knight on. Pretty epic gamer. What is this? Do I have any mail? MVP? Oh, so good. Alright, let's see what I got. Boom! Disc golf boots. See what that is. My boots. Where my boots at? Wait, how many hats do I have? I have my red knight. Oh, my penguin. Yeah, I want to be a penguin. Matches my boots. Yep. I was looking for, what happened to scratches? That's one, yeah, okay. Let's go into party games. Let's see what this is. My wrist is hurting, because it's right on this little pointy thing, so it's kind of hurts a little. What do I do? What? Boom! 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 Oh, good I am with the bow and arrow. I'm hitting every single shot. Bro, I'm lagging. Yeah. That's why I'm losing. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling so bad. If I get one, I'll be happy. I got one! I'm so good at this game. Boom! How did I miss? They're cheating, man. I'm just too good at this game. I'm literally closing my eyes right now. I'm just like too good at this game. So many things I'm hitting. I'm too good at this game. I had 0 stars. 4 is lava. 4 lava's not that hard. It's just keep the rhythm going. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Oh. Yeet, yeet. Oh, I'm so bad. Yeet, I'm so bad. Yeet, yeet. Oh, I'm so bad at this game. Yeet. See? Yeet, 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 yeet. Wait, what? Oh, I'm so good at this game. No! I can't even get past the first level. I am really bad at the game. People are probably already finished by now. Not cheeky 097. See? I can't see anything. But 5 didn't go away. Bro, how are people completing this so fast? I'm so bad. Okay. Move around. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah, could you guys not do this to me? I'm Blackie. It's my plot of land. No one else can have it. What? Look, you did not see how much space I had? Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!